Alright.
Testing.
Okay.
System ready.
So today we're going to do a video for you guys who have Ecutek, how to switch maps if you have any, if you have the Bluetooth module, or if you don't.
This is a G37, and so pretty much all your map switching is going to be done through the cruise control switches. So to put it in what we call map switching mode, you hold down the cancel button. What's going to happen is the tachometer is going to point to a number indicating which map you're in. So if you want to change maps, you hold down the cancel. It's going to point to what map you're currently in. Then you use the toggle switch to toggle up and down. So this vehicle is fitted with 4 maps. 1 being the standard power map, 2 being the flame, 3 being valet, and 4 being anti-theft. So you use the toggle switch to change up and down through the maps, whichever map you want to go into. So if I want to go into 2, I'll settle on number 2 and then tap cancel, and now I'm in map number 2. So the car will always stay in that map regardless of if you turn the car off or turn it back on. To change it, you go back into map switching mode, select a different map, hit cancel, and then boom, now I'm in map 1. If you have the Ecutek Bluetooth module, once you have everything connected and uploaded, you're going to go into your Bluetooth map and you're going to select map switching. Now you can see here that each map is labeled 1, 2, 3, 4 power, flame, valet, anti-theft, and with the Bluetooth module it's as simple as just selecting number 2. So you can see the tachometer will point to number 2 or number 3 if I select 3. The vehicle's telling me that I'm in map 3. Back to map 1. So that's pretty much it. It's that simple. Every car is not guaranteed to have 4 maps. It's up to your tuner depending on how many maps he fits with the car. Some 2, 3, 4. It all depends. Some people want certain things, some people don't. Some people don't want any map switching. But these are usually the standard as to what our vehicles that we tune come with. That with the Bluetooth module, the Ecutek Bluetooth module, you can actually switch maps while you're moving on the fly, which is great because sometimes you want to get in and out of the flame map. So I did not know that, but that is good to know, because that's just another selling point to getting the Ecutek Bluetooth app. Yeah, so pretty much to go into map switching mode and change maps, you're gonna hold down the cancel. Tachometer is going to point to whatever map you're currently in, so it's pointing to number 1 and indicating that I'm in map 1. So I use the toggle switch to toggle between which maps I want. Up goes up, down goes down. So if I want to go to number 3, I'll point the tachometer to 3, tap cancel, boom, now I'm in map 3. If you ever want to check just to see what map you're currently in, hold cancel. It'll point to the map you're currently in, and then you can just tap cancel to get back out of map switching mode, and it'll keep you in map 3.
Alright, cool.
Like if I'm on the throttle as if I was trying to do a flame, and I switched from the power map to the flame would just go. Like because you can feel it switch. And yeah, you can also feel the valet. Like I can switch to valet. Honestly, yeah. Racing in Mexico, and I was trying to, because on there you can also go through the data log, so I was trying to start a data log, and I went to go hit start, and I just was like being dumb and not looking at my phone, and I realized I accidentally switched into my flame map. I was like, what the fuck? And I looked behind me, I thought there was a gunshot, but it was my car, and I realized, oh shit, I can switch.
Yeah, that's dope.
It was really cool.
Yeah, that's a huge selling point for that, because otherwise that's kind of inconvenient.
Yeah, it's annoying to have to stop and shit.
Yeah.
And the other thing, the data log is so nice, because with me, like I always look at it after a race. Single time I do like a race or like a night of beating, I always go check on it, make sure it looks good, and I normally send it to my computer so I can always just go back and look at everything. So if there ever is an issue and like I got to explain to Edgar, like, yo, this night it was doing this, or like this night it was doing that, but this night it was running great.
What's the verdict? We heard.
Yeah, it works.
Yeah, it works. Cool. All right.
So, yeah, you can map switch on the fly with the Ecutek Bluetooth module. That's pretty nice.
That's awesome. Yeah.
Because I know that was one of the biggest pains
Yes.
with Ecutek is guys complaining about being able to go in and out the flame map while they're moving.
Yep.
So
And I was
now
just
I can tell
telling
them
her-
that there's a fix for that, I guess.
I was just telling her too. With the other biggest thing for me was the data logs. Every time, like I was telling her, every time after a race or like a night of beating on it, I go back and every race I save, I make a data log. I save it.
Yeah, I mean I mean we could only wish our customers were that organized. That's awesome.
I love this car, so I take care of it.
Yeah, car feels good. Trans shifts nice on this when you go out and about.
Yeah, it does. It does. It's not bad at all.
It's not like a sloppy
No,
shift.
it
It's
doesn't
like a
feel like
firm-
it doesn't feel like a normal 780 from
No, well, it definitely feels better than way before too.
Yes. Oh, does it? Like from last time?
No, I'm saying like.
Oh, yeah. I think everything feels better from that time.
Well, that's good. We like to see you enjoy your car, man.
Yes, I love
Thanks for making the trip. I know you're about an hour away, so.
it. Yeah, dude. We heard it and it just echoed.
Yeah.
Holy fuck, that's loud. God damn.
Yeah.
It was like, I was like, holy fuck, that's just loud.